Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel, and we've got a big unboxing today from a new company. This is a gentleman that's been in the community for a while, Caleb Barker, and he started making his own products. I love it when that happens. Somebody just kind of comes into the community and either starts his own company or starts doing reviews, making videos and stuff just because they want to. So I know he's sent out products here and there to other folks, but I think just has officially launched the company and the website and all of that stuff. So I'll be giving you a lot more information on the follow-up video, but I just want to see what we've got here. So Barker's Beards, oils, balms, and butters. Oh man, I felt something big in there. I thought it might be a co-wash or beard wash or something. It looks like butters and balms and, oh my goodness, and oils. Looks like I've got 3 of each, so that's very cool. So Brian, hope you enjoy the products as much as I do making them. Thanks, Caleb. Keep picking, he said. I will definitely do that. I got to pick some tonight. Going to the rest homes, do a little community service tonight. So it looks like I've got 3 different scents and oils and balms and butters. And we'll see if they're all the same scent or something different. Everything's wrapped up very nicely. Pop, pop, pop. Ooh, wood shop. That sounds really good. I love the wood scents, not woodsy scents, but ones that have like hardwoods in it, and like cedar wood, some of that. This one's called Smoky Mountain Trail, and they don't, do I have the, I don't see the profile on here. I looked at them I think a while back, and I don't remember which ones, I don't remember exactly what they all are. But we'll do a follow-up. We'll give you prices and any kind of special deals and all the information about that. And this one is the straight up bay rum. I really do like a straight up bay rum scent. And let's see if I have butters, which is now the big thing. And I think I'm gonna do like my top butters, maybe a top 5 or something. I was gonna do one back in the summer, but I really hadn't tried enough from the different companies, so I'll do one before Christmas. But this one is the Smoky Mountain Trail, which matches one of the oils. Whew. You guys are killing me with all this wrapping and bubble wrap and packaging and tape and shrink wrap and the bay rum to match. I do think all these just all go together. And I primarily only wear the butters at night, unless it's like maybe on a weekend or something. So that's kind of going to be the take on my video, is just to kind of let you know, wear stuff at night. So if it's a really, really strong scent, it's probably not something that's going to be for me at night. Let's see if this has beeswax in it. So shea butter, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, fragrance oil, and arrowroot. So no beeswax in this, so I'm thinking it's going to be that nice light butter that goes along with the nighttime. No hold to it. So we'll see if it made it through shipping. It's getting a little bit cooler these days. And then we've got the balms to match. And once again, that Smoky Mountain Trail, bay rum, and wood shop. So let me pop these all open real quick. So ingredients on here: jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, beeswax, shea butter, fragrance oil. The beeswax is pretty far down on the list, if they're listed in order. So it may not be a super strong hold, but we shall see. So wood shop, let's start with that one. Oh man, I thought I got all the shrink wrap off. I still have to take it off the oils. I like that one. So that one is all kind of a mix between, you're in the lumber shop or lumber store, and somebody's just ripped a piece of plywood or something. Between that and being outside and you've just used a chainsaw and have that sawdust pile. So it's kind of a mix between those, not overly strong. And then we've got the, well, let me go ahead and do the balm. All right. So the balm, it's nice and smooth. Not a lot of scent. It doesn't smell waxy, but it definitely is not a strong scent. It looks to be at least a medium on the hold, probably straight down the middle. Medium is what that looks like. All right, and then next we've got the Smoky Mountain Trail. I'm not sure what that is. I've forgotten. It might be woodsy, right? Smoky Mountain Trail. I don't think it would be smoky because it's he lives in Tennessee near the Smoky Mountain, so I don't think there's any kind of smoke or anything with it. Yeah, it's a woodsy blend. I'll have to look up the scent profile on that one. Definitely smells good. Nothing's overpowering, so we'll see about how strong it is and how it lasts and those kind of things. Okay, the balms is very close in scent strength to that, and the bay rum, and then we'll check out that butter real quick. Yeah, that's a nice bay rum. It's got a little bit of the sharpness, a little bit of that bitterness to it at the very end, which I like. That's nice. That's got some good scent to that one. It's not overly sweet. Sometimes you get bay rum that's like coconut and sweetness and sometimes sandalwood because they kind of make it a barbershop blend. That is not a barbershop blend. Yeah, balm's a little bit lighter as you would expect. And let's try out this butter. Ooh, that is super duper creamy. That looks to be definitely whipped. It's whipped, but it's also pretty dense. So it's more creamy than it is light and airy. All right, so that one, that's gonna be nice. I might have to try that one tonight, see how it does. Smoky Mountain Trail. And these have about the same strength as the oil, maybe just a little bit less than the oil, but definitely more than the balm. Wood shop, yeah, that's a nice wood shop too. I'm interested to trying that one out some more. Nice looking balms. By the way, these are 4 ounces. So I'll give you the rundown on the prices and a little bit more about the company on my follow-up review here in a couple of weeks. It'll take me a little while to try all of those. But anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you to Caleb for sending these out. Please check out Barker's Beards. Follow him on Instagram and let him know that I sent you. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.